वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। Salutations to Lord Ganesha. May he shower his blessings and uplift us from the hardships of life. Welcome to the Spiritual Saga, the new platform where you get a different perspective about spirituality, ancient culture of India, and other life hacks. A very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all the viewers of the Spiritual Saga. On this auspicious occasion, we are extremely delighted to share this devotional and informative video. Before proceeding, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for more such notifications. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated as a 11-day festival marking the birth of the elephant-headed deity, Lord Ganesha. According to the Hindu calendar, it is celebrated in the month of Bhadrapada on the 4th day of Chaturthi. It is the most celebrated festival in the country with pride and grandeur. This holy day was first observed and publicly celebrated in the era of Shivaji Maharaj in Pune. When coming to the history of India, its culture had gone through the peaks and valleys during the British Raj. Ganesh Chaturthi is one among them. It lost all its pride after the British Raj as they imposed rules against conducting Hindu cultures, gatherings, and processions. The freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak led a movement against the Britishers and won in the year 1892. Since then, Ganesh Chaturthi has become one of the important festivals in India. This is considered a holy offering to Lord Ganpati, who is the guardian of multitudes according to the Vedas. The god of success, obstacle remover are the other titles that Purana refers to him. According to the Hindu culture, Lord Ganesha is worshipped before all the auspicious event in one's life. Lord Ganesha and Ganesh Chaturthi has always been a joyful emotion for all the devotees. In India, it's a celebration of masses. People turn their homes, streets, and cities into a colorfully decorated stage. The festival begins with the placing of idol of Lord Ganesha in various places like streets, city centers, and also at their homes. It is an 11-day devotion to the Almighty that begins with Prana Pratishtha, to invoke life into the idol, followed by Shodashopachara or 16 ways of paying tribute. After this, the Pandit or the head of the family anoint the red sandalwood paste and decorate the pedestal with yellow flowers by chanting the Vedic hymns. Later, the divine puja begins with the offering of modak, a rice cake with a filling of jaggery and coconut. It is considered to be the favorite food of Lord Ganesha. This process continues for 11 days. The last day, popularly known as Visarjan, is the procession held in order to bid a farewell to the Almighty. The idol of Ganesha is immersed in the water bodies like lakes, seas, ponds, etc., symbolizing his homeward journey to Mount Kailasa. It is believed that Lord Ganesha takes away all the sorrows, pains along with him and leaves a happy life behind. India is a land of diversity. Every festival, culture, tradition is followed here, but in a unique manner. Ganesh Chaturthi is also celebrated in many different ways. Let's take a look on some cultures of India. In Maharashtra, it is known as Ganesh Utsav. People make or buy idols made of clay and place it in their homes. They offer prayers in the morning and evening by chanting devotional hymns. Modaks, Dhruva, and Karanji are included in the offerings. In the state, everyday puja ends with the Aarti, Sukhaharta Dukhaharta. They also set up pandals, the huge decorative tents across the city. Ganesh Utsav is equally celebrated by all the people in the state. The scene is completely different in Goa. In Goa, it is known as Chavtha Prabha, which falls in the lunar month of Bhadrapada. On this day, the women in the house fast and worship Shiva and Parvati for the well-being of their families. They welcome this day with various percussions like drums, dhol, ghumots, etc. They also celebrate Navyachi Pancham on the following day of this as their harvest festival. Moving on to the southern part, Karnataka, Hyderabad and Andhra celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi in the same manner. They place tall idols on the streets of the city and celebrate a 11-day festival with lot of fun and excitement. The cities and states turn to be a paradise during these days. On the day of Visarjan, they immerse the idols in large water bodies like lakes, ponds, seas, etc. The festival is popularly known as Vinayaka Chaturthi in these places. These are just the glimpse of the vast celebration of this festival. Ganesh Chaturthi is not only popular in India, it is even celebrated in different parts of the world like Pakistan, London, North America, France, etc. Many Hindu organizations gather the Indians and conduct the festival every year. Here comes the celebration, Ganesh Chaturthi 2020. But this year would be entirely different, with worries, pains, disappointments and so on. Let's join our hands and pray to the Lord Ganesha for the well-being of our world.